subscribers! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is April 16, 2020, 3:22 p.m. So ayan, for today's video, hindi ako magmumukbang, hindi ako magko-cooking show and whatsoever. This is just gonna be a random vlog of me and you talking, heart-to-heart talk. Hindi sana ako mag-release ng video today since tinatamad ako plus first day ko nga sa Red Tide ngayon. Pero napag-isipan ko na sayang naman kasi 6th day na ng consistent upload sa channel natin. Kapag hindi ako nagpo-post ngayon, baka ma-break yung record. And then, gusto ko pa naman ma-try yung nakakapag-upload 1 week straight. So, ayan, 1 week yung goal ko. Kapag na-achieve natin yan, sige, try natin 1 month. And so on and so forth. By the way, today pala yung release ng Apple's newest phone, which is the iPhone SE. I posted a blog on my blogging website, Skye.com, so please check it out. Link will be down below. So, ayun na nga. For today's video, I'll be answering frequently asked questions about TeamiBlends.com. Teami, ito yung iniinom ko. So, maraming nag-comment sa video ko na yun kung paano umorder ng Teami, kung effective nga ba siya, kung magkano nga ba yung 30-day detox ng Teami. Ito din kasi yung ginagamit ni Ivana. So, at least man lang doon, magkaparehas kami na gumagamit ng Teami Blends. Anyways, so yung question na tinatanong sa akin palagi is, paano daw umorder ng Teami Skinny? Kasi, na-stress daw siya since international po pala yung brand na yon. And sana po maturuan niyo po akong umorder ng Teami. So, I told her to check my Instagram account sa highlights na part. May discount codes doon. So, i-click niya lang. Tapos, may video tutorial doon kung paano umorder sa Teami and kung paano gamitin yung code ko, which is ZIA20 for 20% discount. So, nagawa na daw niya lahat yon, pero wala kasing Philippines na option sa country or region. Kaya doon siya nahirapan. And, actually, hindi lang siya, guys. Marami kayong nag-message sa FB page ko na walang Philippines na option sa Teami Blends. So, sabi ko sa kanya, sige, I will try to check it out and I will get back to you on that. Wow, check. So, chinek ko siya sa Teami Blends, yung pinaka-mismong website nila, and wala talagang Philippines na option sa country or region nila. So, I decided to email one of the staff ng Teami Blends and I asked her to help me check this out at kung bakit walang Philippines na option sa website nila. Miss Sarah messaged me, "Hi babe, Philippines is actually restricted to have packages sent out due to COVID-19. So until this is all over with, customers would have to wait. Let me know if you have any further concerns. Hopefully this will all stop by the end of April." So, problem solved. Kaya pala walang Philippines na option sa country or region ng website nila is because yung Philippines, medyo stricto sila sa pagtanggap ng mga packages outside the country. Yung Teami Blends kasi is an international product. Kaya medyo nahihirapan silang pumasok sa Philippines. So, ayan. So, second question is Teami Blends really effective? So, for me, guys, pangalawang pangalawang 30-day detox ko na. So, for me, effective naman talaga siya kasi, first of all, yung Teami Skinny, diba, everyday mo siyang iniinom. So, it will really cut off your mga kine-crave mo. Kahit busog ka na hindi ka naman dapat kumakain, pero kumakain ka pa rin. Kina-cut talaga ng Teami Blends or ng Teami Skinny yung mga cravings ko. Tapos, mas madali na akong napupoops. Ayan. Kasi medyo mas mabilis na yung metabolism ko compared before. So, hindi na ako masyadong bloated every time I eat a lot. Tapos, every other day, merong Teami Colon, which consists of 15 tea bags for 1 pack, diba? Yung Teami Colon na yun, super grabe talagang sasakit yung tiyan mo. I mean, like, sasakit yung tiyan mo in a good way kasi clinic cleanse niya yung kung anong nasa loob ng tummy mo, kung ano yung mga pinagkakakain mo. So, para on the next day, magpupoops ka. So, kaya siya masakit. So, meaning, effective talaga siya. So, minsan pa nga siya share ko yung 1 colon tea bag with me and my mom para kaming dalawa yung ma-poops the next day. And para tipid na din. Kasi medyo may kamahalan nga siya, guys. So, how much ba? How much is the Teami Blends 30-day detox? Ayan, I'll show you guys pictures na para hindi na kayo kailangan pumunta sa website. So, for the 30-day detox, yung Teami Skinny at saka yung Teami Colon lang, it is for $49.99, guys. Tapos, if gusto nyong Teami Skinny lang yung kukunin nyo, which is this one, it is for $29.99. Pero, kailangan nyo kasi ng ganitong water bottle, guys. Kasi sa loob ng water bottle na to, meron siyang ganito. I forgot what you call this, pero parang siyang strainer, para hindi lumusot yung leaves sa iinumin mo. So, ayan, kailangan mo ng ganyan. Pwede lang kayong mag-refill ng water. You don't have to change the tea inside anymore. So, super tipid niya talaga. Yung Teami Skinny ko is umaabot ng 2 months. I swear. Yung Teami Color naman is $24.99. Pero kung gusto nyong meron kayong water bottle, Teami Skinny, Teami Color, at saka yung tea diffuser, it is only for $84.99. Plus, you can also use my code to get 20% off. So, mas cheaper na siya kesa sa regular price. So, for their Teami tumbler, there are actually a lot of colors to choose from. There's green, black, red, and etc. It's only for $29.99. Oy, actually, oh my god, bago pa to. Meron na din sila palang pastel colors ng kanilang Teami tumblers. Wala ka cute. I like this. They also have a premium one, which is the Tea Tumbler Luxe Edition. It's for $54.99. 2 years na kasi itong tumbler na to sa akin, and so far hindi pa siya naka-crack. Hindi siya madaling masira kasi nabagsak ko na to twice, I think. Tapos hindi pa siya nasira. When you make the Teami Skinny, pwede niyo siyang lagyan ng honey or not. It actually depends on you. Pero for me, I prefer the original version lang ng Teami Skinny. Hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng honey. Before, nung first time ko pa sa Teami Blends, nilalagyan ko ng honey. Pero nasanay na kasi ako na wala siyang added na anything aside from the tea itself. So that's it for my video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any other questions regarding Teami Blends, just comment down below. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.